How to sign up for DoorDash rewards. For this, you'll need your DoorDash application. For that, open a Play Store or an App Store and search for DoorDash. Tap on it and install if you have not, or simply tap open if you already have installed it. Now wait for it to load. To log in or sign up, you will see some of these options. Go ahead and select any one that you prefer. Now, once you are logged in, you will be redirected. That looks something like this. So talking about rewards, some of the restaurants provide you rewards right here in your DoorDash application. You can access to them by just tapping on it and redeeming it within the application. Secondly, what you can do is you can meet the criteria of 50 deliveries. That means you should have ordered at least of 50 times using your DoorDash application. Only by then, you'll be gaining to some of the serious rewards by the DoorDash app. So that is the second thing. And the third and one of the most important thing is to sustain your customer review. If the DoorDash have a negative review about you, the chances of you getting a reward is pretty thin. So make sure you get a 5-star. So those were some of the things to how to sign up for a reward in your DoorDash. We hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.